Hi guys, welcome to Spot Art channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to create a highlight on Facebook. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to the Facebook application. After that, you can go to the profile, click on the symbol in the upper of the corner. After that, you can go to the profile and click three dots here. You can click the archive. After that, you can click story archive here. Next, you can click on the three dots. Create feature collection. Click on. Click here and next. You can type the title of the highlight and save. Okay, feature collection added or highlight is added. Go to the profile and highlight is mention of your profile. Okay, this is a tutorial how to create highlight on the Facebook. I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.